Theta value sort of equivalent to $0.7482 a coin, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 0.7442, 0.7613. Which really is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.7581, which is very huge. The change really was 0.0099. 1.31% in an exceptionally enormous way. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Theta in a kind of significant manner. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.76, extremely greatest 0.81, lovely least 0.71, which sort of is genuinely huge. Theta gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.76. Extremely greatest 0.81, certainly least 0.71, or so they most certainly thought. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.74, especially greatest 0.79, really least 0.69, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta estimate on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.74, extremely greatest 0.79. For the most part least 0.69 in a genuinely enormous manner. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.72, fundamentally most extreme 0.77, least 0.67, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, which sort of is genuinely critical. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $0.71, really greatest 0.76, fundamentally least 0.66 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.73, exceptionally greatest 0.78, kind of least 0.68, or so they thought. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.74, sort of most extreme 0.79. Especially least 0.69, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.70, exceptionally most extreme 0.75, sort of least 0.65, which especially is very critical. Theta estimate on Friday, August 18, cost $0.67, essentially most extreme 0.72, lovely least 0.62. Or so they thought. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $0.73, most extreme 0.78, essentially least 0.68, in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta gauge on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.69, essentially most extreme 0.74, fundamentally least 0.64, which fundamentally is very critical. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.72, beautiful most extreme 0.77, fundamentally least 0.67, showing how Theta gauge on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.69, especially greatest 0.74, sort of least 0.64 in an unobtrusive way. Theta gauge on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.71, sort of greatest 0.76, genuinely least 0.66, which sort of is genuinely huge. Theta cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $0.73, by and large most extreme 0.78, especially least 0.68 in an exceptionally significant way. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, August 28, cost $0.75, greatest 0.80, sort of least 0.70, exhibiting that Theta conjecture on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.69, extremely greatest 0.74, beautiful least 0.64 in an especially significant way. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.76, genuinely greatest 0.81, lovely least 0.71, which certainly is very huge. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.74, extremely greatest 0.79, especially least 0.69, which explicitly is very critical. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.75, sort of greatest 0.80 in every practical sense, least 0.70, Truly further appearance how Theta value forecast for, in the not so distant future, and month Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.76, most extreme 0.81, all things considered, least 0.71, or so they especially thought. Theta figure on Friday, September 1, cost $0.72 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.77, kind of least 0.67 in a significant way. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, September 4, cost $0.72, fundamentally greatest 0.77, sort of least 0.67, or so they basically thought. Theta estimate on Tuesday, September 5, cost $0.70, genuinely most extreme 0.75, least 0.65 in a quite large way. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale really equivalent to 1.3366 coins per $1. Today's reach, 1.3136 1.3438. Or so they in every practical sense thought. The past day's nearby, 1.3191, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Change for now plus 0.0175, plus 1.33%, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Theta cost figure for, in the not so distant future and month. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Monday, August 7, cost 1.316 coins, kind of greatest 1.408. Especially least 1.235 in a very significant way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 1.316 coins, truly most extreme 1.408, certainly least 1.235 in a huge way. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Wednesday, August 9, cost 1.351 coins, really greatest 1.449, kind of least 1.266. Which sort of is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Thursday, August 10, cost 1.351 coins, exceptionally most extreme 1.449, fundamentally least 1.266, which in a real sense is very huge. Dollar to Theta gauge on Friday, August 11, cost 1.389 coins, exceptionally greatest 1.493, sort of least 1.299 in an extremely enormous manner. In multi-week United States dollars to Theta forecast on Monday, August 14, cost 1.408 coins, truly most extreme 1.515, especially least 1.316 in a huge way. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, August 15, cost 1.370 coins, really most extreme 1.471, kind of least 1.282, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost 1.351 coins, kind of greatest 1.44